everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I want to share with you one of my favorites, which is cinnamon roll. I'll be making my dough, filling and the glaze. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to make it.
Let's begin. To make brioche, add sugar, salt and yeast into flour and mix them together. In a stand mixer, mix buttermilk and eggs using the hook attachment. After a few minutes, add dry ingredients and continue mixing on a low speed. After the ingredients are combined, switch on medium speed and continue mixing. Scrap down the bottom and the side of the bowl as you go. After 5 minutes, switch on high speed and continue mixing. As I said before, scrape down the sides and the bottom of the bowl every now and then. It's very important. It takes a little effort, but the result is well worth it. It's time to add butter when the dough is very sticky and wet. Add it into the bowl and keep mixing. It takes about 25 minutes. The dough comes together little by little, and the sides of the bowl will be clean. The dough is fully developed. It's time to take it out. Brioche dough is very sticky and wet. but it's still possible to knead it by hand. If you are interested, I will show you how to make it in another video. I'm gonna show you how soft and shiny the dough should be. At this point it should be a bit sticky, but you can easily work with it. Put it in the bowl, cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest for 6 hours in your fridge. After 6 hours, take it out of the bowl and dust some flour on the bench. Make sure to cover it with flour. Fillet the dough with your hands and make sure to use enough flour on both sides. Use a rolling pin to flatten the dough a bit more. Roll it out, back and forth, back and forth. Try to do it very slowly. Turn the dough and continue rolling until you reach 35 cm in each side. For the filling, mix in a bowl light and dark brown sugar, salt and cinnamon and set it aside. It's time to add butter on top of the dough. Try to spread it as evenly as possible. Sprinkle the sugars mixture on top of the butter. Try to spread it evenly. Roll it up tightly. Give it a rest for 15 minutes in your fridge. After 15 minutes, take the dough out of your fridge and cut it into 9 pieces. Transfer them into a baking pan which is already lined up with the parchment paper. Leave a gap in between each rolls. Cover it with a damp towel and let it rest for 45 minutes at room temperature. For the glaze, scrape the seed of vanilla bean and add it to icing sugar along with buttermilk and mix it well. This is the right consistency of the glaze. For having a smoother glaze, put it through a sieve to get rid of the excess part of the vanilla bean. Now it's very shiny and smooth. "45 minutes has passed and my rolls rise up nicely. Cover it with foil and bake it on a preheated oven at 170 Celsius for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the foil and bake it for another 10 minutes.
Yes, my good looking delicious cinnamon roll are ready. I cannot wait anymore. I'm gonna put the glaze on it and give it a try. Oh, finally it's time. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get one for myself. Wow, they're so soft and the smells, it's heavenly good. I'm gonna try it. I don't need a fork. Just look at it. It's so soft. That cinnamon and brown sugar. Wow, I can't even describe it. It's so good. It's buttery and soft. Butter, cinnamon, brioche. What else do you need? I'm gonna have another bite. I'm gonna pair it with some ruby port. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.